guys, welcome to today's vlog. It's a new week. Today is Monday and I am out to go pick up Micah from school, and then I have a bunch of errands that I need to run today. I need to go to the dry cleaner. I need to go pick up Zoe's birth certificate from the hospital. What else do I need to do? Yeah. So I'm just running around, running a couple of errands. I'm gonna go pick up Micah from school now, but I'm gonna come drop him off at home and then head out. Oh, and I need to pick up a few groceries as well. I haven't even eaten and it's like 1:20. I'm feeling a little faint right now, but I'm gonna pass by the gym because I think I left my AirPods there, so I can't find my AirPods. I seem to have lost them again or misplaced them again, but luckily I had actually put them on Find My. So when I check where the AirPods are, it turns out they are at Virgin Active. So I'm gonna go there and check. Hopefully they can find them in the lost and found box. I hope they do. Yeah. Because that would be the second pair of AirPods that I lose if I don't find them, and I'm gonna be very sad. So yeah, that's what my Monday is looking like. I hope you guys are good and well. I hope you have a productive day, have a productive week ahead, you know, smash those goals. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Today is such a beautiful day. Sun is out, the sky is blue, it's nice and warm. It's giving very spring vibes. Say hi, Micah. Hi. How was school? What did you learn today? What did you learn, Nana? Oh wow. He just woke up from a nap, so I am being ignored right now. I am at I desperately need food, guys. Yo, I'm gonna faint. Before I get copyright. I had a cappuccino muffin, I had a cup of coffee. I just had one chili. I am obsessed with the chili sticks from Spa. Yum. So yeah, I'm still starving though. I'm just gonna grab a Big Mac meal and head on over to Rosebank. So I've done 3 things now. I couldn't find my AirPods. They gone. I'm so sad. There's nothing at the gym, so they're gone. So I need to head to Genesis now to go pick up Zoe's birth certificate, and then I need to go past the gym in Alice Lane to sort out something. And yeah, I'm starving though. Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Can I please have a Big Mac, medium meal with a Coke?
That's all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place without your love.
This car smells so good and fresh. Hubby took it for a wash today. It smells really good. Hi you guys, today is another day and I'm on my way to actually pick up Micah from school. It's like 1:30 right now. I went to the gym today and had a little coffee date with Shakira, and I'm feeling a bit jittery. You know when you have too much caffeine, like that feeling of, it's almost like you're high, but it's not a nice, like, yeah, it's just not a nice feeling. That's what I'm feeling like right now, because I had, in the morning before my Pilates class, I had I had my Herbalife tea, which is obviously has caffeine in it. And then later on, after my my class, I had coffee. So I'm feeling a bit like jittery right now. It's really not a nice feeling. But anyway, guys, I'm still pushing my natural hair, and I'm so surprised actually, because I never last with my like afro out for longer than 2 days. Usually I'll undo it, and then within 2 days I'm just like, no ways, it's too much work. But I'm liking it. Yesterday I straightened it with my Dyson Airwrap, and you guys saw from the previous clips how cute and like flat it looked. So today it's looking a little more puffier than it was yesterday, but honestly I highly recommend the Dyson Airwrap. It's the tool of all tools, of all hair tools, and it uses very low heat, so your hair does not get heat damaged. So yeah, I feel like I'm rambling right now. But anyway, I just wanted to update you guys on what's happening. I'm gonna go pick up my son and then come back home, and I'm still shooting content. I'm vlogging, obviously continuing Vlogtober. So yeah, I'll just continue with the day. I guess I will see you guys later. such a beautiful day, by the way. The weather is nice, okay, a bit too hot, but it's really nice and bright outside. The trees are like treeing, they're so green, and it makes me so happy. I haven't seen you guys in a couple of days, actually. I think 2 or 3 days. I needed some time off from vlogging and recording videos and stuff. I just needed to sort of relax. So yeah, I haven't really been recording for the past couple of days, but I'm back now, and thank you so much for your love and your support on this Vlogtober. Thank you for watching my videos, giving them a thumbs up, and also subscribing, because I know there's a couple of new subscribers on the channel. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. And yeah, road to 15k, we are almost there. Let's get there. And road to 20k, let's get there. We are almost there. Let's do it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So what I've done today, as you guys saw from the previous clips, is I washed my wig, which I actually want to style right now. You know, the one thing my husband really doesn't like is my love for Coke, and I completely understand, because it's not the healthiest but I love it so much. It tastes so good. But anyway, I was saying, the previous clips I was washing this hair. I actually want to style it and put on some makeup, because I want to shoot some YouTube content for you guys. So I had to give this baby a nice wash, and yeah, I'm gonna style it now. So let's quickly do that and then do my makeup, and then hopefully record this video before the sun sets. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray some of this Moroccan oil leave-in conditioner onto the hair. This is just the sample size that I got when I purchased the bigger size. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna go in with the also Moroccan oil, the oil treatment. Looks like that. Just not a lot of pumps. I think one pump is fine, because I don't want to make it too like oily. Just to give it a bit of moisture. Forgot to put on some heat protectant, so I'm using this serum from Sobe. Just to make sure it doesn't break from heat damage. Let's just leave all of that on. This cramping tool that I got from Adequate Hair Studio. I bought this quite a while ago actually, and I've never used it, so it's gonna be the first time. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, I think you need to section the hair like that. Start at the bottom. And then just work your way up. This hair is very soft, so I don't think it's actually holding the curls. Hi boo guys. Like, is anything even happening? Hey. Okay guys, so it seems like this hair is a bit too soft for what I want to do, so I'm gonna try use another cramping tool that's smaller than this one. Maybe the curls will hold better, because yeah, nothing's really happening. Okay, so I'm gonna use this tool instead, which is a bit smaller, and I got this from Clicks. It's by Tony and Guy. So let's see. What I don't like about this one is it's gonna take me much longer than the big one. But anyway. You know what? My plans here are not working. What the... No. But I need to go feed Zoe now, so I'll figure out what I do to this hair actually, because this is not working. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna try this again, but I think this time I'm gonna work from top to bottom. Hopefully that works, and also put some serum because the hair was turning quite dry. Let's see. So this is how the hair turned out. I'm not really the happiest, but you know what, it's okay, it's okay. They say persist until you get it right. So that's that on that. It looks so dry, and it's actually not, because I put serum and oils. But anyway, so we've actually reached a milestone today. I want to go feed Zoe her solids for the very first time. And I'll show you guys what I'm giving her. It's just some oat cereal. I'm just gonna give her a couple of teaspoons and then breastfeed her as well. So this is what I'm giving her. It's some creamy oats porridge from Hip Organic. I know it says 6 to 24 months, but the doctor gave us a go-ahead. So usually, actually, you need to start giving, so you can give solids once the baby can hold their head upright and can sit with some minor support. And yeah, so we're ready for salads. And it's best to start with vegetables actually, but creamy oats porridge also does the job. It's not for you though. It's for baby.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
We did so well. We did so well, Mama. You're a big girl. Look at what a mess we made. Yes. Yes, Mama. She did so well, you guys. I'm such a proud little mama. This is exciting. My baby's growing. But yeah, we're done eating now. I'm gonna go give her some breast milk and then put her to bed. Yes, mama. Yum yum. Did you enjoy your food? Are you nice and full? Yay! It's always nice and full. It's always nice and full. Yay! Yay, I'm a big girl. 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 I love you, Mama. Yes, I love you. I love you so much. Yeah. Yes, Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Daddy loves you. We love Zoe. Hey, you guys. I'm back. I feel like I'm all over the place. I feel like my mind is all over the place. I feel like nyabamba nyayega. Just, yeah, it's annoying me actually. But yesterday I finished curling the hair that I showed you guys, but I'm not too sure about it. I don't know if I like, you know, how it looks. I really want to shoot a video today. I've been holding this up for a number of weeks actually, and I want to get it done today. So I was thinking of curling another wig, but I suspect that's going to take me long and I probably won't end up doing it. Oh, who's calling me? Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. What I was saying was, if I curl another wig, I have a feeling it's going to take me long and I probably won't end up recording this video today again, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly just going to straighten my hair so I can tie it back neatly. And then I'm going to pop this wig on and actually see what it looks like. If it's not too bad, then I'll do my makeup and then set up, and then I'll start recording the video that I want to record. I really want to shoot in like daylight, so yeah, that's why I keep moving it to the next day, Anyway, let me straighten my hair. So I'm gonna be using my Dyson Airwrap. I need to actually wet my hair again because it's gone dry now, and I don't want it to break too much, so I need to wet it with just like plain water and a bit of leave-in conditioner. Okay, it actually doesn't look that bad on. I'm not mad at it at all. I think I'll just use it since I already wasted so much of my time curling it. But it doesn't look bad. I just hate the fact that it looks like damaged and frizzy. As you see why I'm saying I am all over the place. I've actually decided that hair is not gonna work. I'm not feeling it at all. It's too puffy. It's giving me like Tina Turner vibes, and not the look I am going for today. So I'm just gonna put on this wig and then I'll just curl it with my Dyson Airwrap because it's pretty quick to curl with, and yeah, it shouldn't take too long because it's already curled. I'll just, I don't know, revive the curls, I guess. I'm gonna do the bold cap method and probably just stay in the wig for the rest of the weekend. Today is Friday. What I'm gonna need is this wig cap. I'm gonna try and be as quick as possible with this. I already put, what's this, eco styling gel on my edges so they lay flat and are just like out of the way. Alright, so I'm gonna make a hole right there so I can fit my ear like so, and the same thing on the side. I'm gonna go in with my got to be blasting spray, and I'm just gonna spray some literally on the edges here. I'm gonna go in with my hairdryer. So I'm gonna repeat the same step about 3 times. I'm just gonna cut this off like this. What you don't want are these little flaps over here, but I'll fix that. I'll just cut the excess off. You see how this little white line there, I don't want that, because yeah, it looks lifted. So I'm just gonna put more of the blasting spray and then just melt that down with the hairdryer. So I've melted it down a bit, and then I'm gonna go in with some foundation just so it blends in with my skin. This is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I'm just gonna take a brush. Yes, Nana. So that looks like that. Yeah, open the door. Where are you going? Are you going downstairs? Okay, bye. Where's you going on a walk? Okay, where's Daddy? Huh? You want your hat? Huh? Okay, so I'll put the wig on. Now what I'm gonna do is just spray some got to be spray, and be very careful that the bald cap that you've done underneath doesn't show along the line of the wig. So just gonna go in with some blasting spray, and I'll start side by side just to make sure that I'm not making any mistakes. Now I'm going to use this attachment to curl the hair, and let me show you how cool this little tool is. So you're just going to section your hair and comb it out, and then turn it on higher speed. Look at that. curl. So it like literally just uses air to wrap your hair around the wand, and then it gives your hair this like blow wave type of effect. I'm obsessed.